For the first-time essay writers, we usually don't know that essay structure has to be a true-fact relationship. The new learners tend to add lots of watery stuff that are just wasting time and gaining no points. Remember that the beauty for the essay is no more than the truth, logics, and evidence. Another tendency is to put on air, trying to sound like a scholar, using big words instead of up-to-date language, simple but formal. Writing in an academic or written style doesn't mean this way. Complication doesn't mean importance or formal. Third, overdone by copying or inserting or misused. These are considered high-level educated words, phrases, and connectors will make sentences sound very unnatural. Fourth, still many students just write from anywhere of anything that comes to mind without planning for a structure. Too much freedom or overstructured are both wrong. Knowing each step is an important design for the whole.